Anil Ambani and Tina Muneem have always defined the true meaning of love, companionship, and togetherness. The couple has been together for 39 years, leaving everyone in awe of their story. As Anil Ambani turns a year older today, let's take a look back at his love story with Tina and the obstacles they had faced. Married since 1991 and parents to two beautiful kids, Jai Anmol and Jai Anshul, the couple is falling in love deeper and deeper with each passing day. But did you know that they actually break up for 4 years? In a recent interview, the couple poured their hearts out about their love story and how they decided to marry. Anil and Tina met for the first time at a party where Anil was taken aback by seeing her in a black sari, as it was unconventional for anyone to turn up for a wedding wearing black. The two were introduced through a mutual friend, and without wasting any time, Anil asked her out, but she turned him down. After a few years, they met again, fell in love and never looked back. But like every romantic movie, their love story wasn't easy, and Anil's family was not ready to accept Tina as their bahu due to her career. Respecting their parents' decision, the couple decided to call it off, and the Kurz actress left for America. The couple didn't speak to each other for 4 years. During an interview, Tina revealed that Anil called her only once when an earthquake hit Los Angeles in 1989. Despite facing so many obstacles, the couple didn't give up and had decided to conquer all the obstacles together. Anil continued to persuade his family to agree to their union, and once they did, he asked her to come back. And when she finally came back, Anil just dropped her to meet his parents. In fact, he had a complete plan charted out in his mind, just like a true businessman. While talking to a media house, he said, "Even before she came back to India, I had very clearly laid out a plan. This is the day she will meet my parents. This is the day we will get engaged. And this is the day we will get married, and this would be the location." Like every man, Anil too planned a perfect way to propose his lady love. In the same interview, Anil revealed how he proposed her and said, "I went to her house in Khar. Tina's sister and brother-in-law were there. They both were quite shocked to see me because they didn't know what was going on in Mumbai. Her brother-in-law went inside to tell her mother. She was shocked to see me. I said, 'You love your daughter Tina very much.' And she said, 'Yes, absolutely.' I said, 'If that is the case, then you can keep her here. Otherwise, I very much wanted to marry her.' After this funny proposal, the couple tied the knot in a lavish wedding. The wedding was a traditional Gujarati one, with Tina dressed in a lovely red Gujarati bridal sari. Anil was seen wearing a wonderful cream-colored sherwani with a heavy embroidery. Now the couple is proud parents of 2 sons, Jai Anmol and Jai Anshul. So friends, if you want to watch your favorite celebrities video, comment below and don't forget to subscribe Bollywood Gallery.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends.